While so many people are attracting a specific person, may it be in the love relationship, may it be in their friendship, may it be work life, may it be in any areas, so many of you are attracting a specific person or a set of specific people into your life. But sometimes you get confused or you had this question that whether it is okay to attract a specific person, or sometimes so many of you keep asking in the comment section that is it okay to attract a specific person, is it positive, is it natural? And in this video I am going to give you the deep insight. Today I am explaining you whether it is fine or not to attract a specific person. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe, this is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And if you are new here on our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our tribe. Now, this is a question so many of you are asking in the comment section, or if you are having this question or you are thinking about it or wanted to know the answer and now you got this video, then do let me know in the comment section. So I know that so many of you are attracting a specific person, and from time to time somebody else said this or you heard that it's not right. When you are applying some tool, techniques or processes in attracting a specific person, it is not right to attract a specific person, and you get confused because on one side you feel like attracting the specific person, on the other side someone else is saying it is not right or it is not the thing that you should do. So one thing I want you to first understand is attracting a specific person is absolutely okay, and it's natural and it's normal. Now, there are certain things you need to understand about it, like why attracting a specific person sometimes works, or when it is working and when it is not working, or when it doesn't work. But first thing you need to understand that attracting a specific person is okay, natural, and it's positive and it's normal. In fact, you would be surprised to understand your life that except your family members, rest all the people in your life are the people you have attracted, and they are the specific people you have attracted, whether they are good friends or bad friends, whether they are your work colleague or they are your enemies, or they are your very close friends, or they are your lover, they are your partner, or they are your exes, or they are your husband, wife, friends, boss, every single person you have attracted into your life, and they are specific people you have attracted. So for example, you have some friends and you are friends with them for like 10 years or 20 years. So you have attracted those friends, those specific people, they are also specific person. When we talk about specific person, it's not just about your ex or your love or that particular person on whom you have crush. It's specific persons means everyone in your life you have attracted. If you are doing a business or if you are working in a job and you are working with a person and you love the time you are spending, you have attracted that specific person because that's how you wanted the relationship to be. And for example, when you start growing up, so in your neighborhood there are hundreds of people are there, but you build a good relationship with some specific people. Same way when you go to your school, college, university, job, work life, social life, there are so many people around you, and there are people who are interested in building the relationship with you, but you chose to be in a relationship, whether it's friendship, whether it's any kind of relationship. You chose specific people to be in the relationship with them. So my friend, in life, always everyone is attracting specific people into their life, everyone, and it's absolutely normal. Now when you are attracting a specific person, whether it's for love relationship, whether it's for friendship, whether it's for business, whether it's for work relevant area, the one thing that defines, or the one thing which defines how long this relationship will last, it's more about the inner qualities that both of you have, and the inner qualities this other person is having, and the inner qualities that you are having, and how aligned these are. This is where the law of attraction defines this relationship. Like attracts like. If the inside, the inner being are almost similar, or inner being are looking for each other, then this specific person relationship goes for a very long time in a magical way, in a very joyful way. Whether it's friendship, whether it's love relationship, whether it's work relationship, whether it's any kind of relationship. So this inner being that defines that how long this specific person and your relationship is going to last. Many a times people are attracting a specific person only driven by the person's outer look or the way they carry or their status or their looks or something that is only visible outside. And when they attract, and if that person inner being or inner qualities are very much aligned with your inner qualities, or they are also looking for a person like exactly like you, or they love your inner being or being with you and your energy get aligned and in sync, then even if you are attracting that person just for their outer self, when both of you know each other, you get aligned and it lasts for a lifetime, or it's going to be a long relationship. But let's suppose you are attracting a person just for their outer qualities and their inner qualities is not at all aligned, or their inner qualities are something that you don't like or don't feel comfortable with, or their inner qualities are completely different and your inner qualities are completely different, then it's not going to be a very strong relationship for a very long time. If it's going to be a deeper relationship, if it's going to be just a hi hello or just kind of a normal surface level relationship, it still can stay for a long time. For example, in a deep relationship, an introvert and an extrovert cannot stay for a very long time, or a very orderly person or a very unorganized or disorderly person cannot stay for a very long time, because they are so different that it's really difficult for them to gel up together. An orderly person or an organized person can very well stay with another organized or an orderly person. Unorganized people, they can go together. So like this, you always can attract a specific person. You should attract a specific person. In fact, you are always attracting specific persons in your life. So attracting a specific person is always natural, okay, positive. It's normal. Never ever question this. And it's not just about love relationship. You are always attracting specific people always in your life, especially when you become an adult. You become much more choosy, you become much more specific about what kind of people you want in your life, and you are always attracting. However, start being aware and start observing in your life those relationships which are staying there for a very long time. It's because there is a deep alignment at the nature level, at the qualities level, at the inner level, at the energy level, at the vibrational level, at the deep level, and that is why they are getting very aligned and staying long in a very positive way. So when you are attracting a specific person, not just attract them for what is there on the outside, but attract them for the deep inner self or the qualities they have, so that it will get aligned very well. My friend, you need to understand this and you need to do it in the right way, so that you can always attract specific people, more and more positive, more and more loving, more and more joyful specific people into your life. Because when you have more specific people who are very much aligned to you, more specific people who always gives you positive energy, more specific people who always shower their love on you, more specific people who always inspire you, then your life will become much more magical, joyful, exciting, loving, and truly awesome. When it's come to attracting a love relationship or a partner, you should always attract a specific person, but not only focused on the outer shelf, but you should focus on the deep qualities, the inner qualities, the energies that you are attracting. And always remember, attracting a specific person doesn't mean only the person you have seen so far or recognized so far. Even attracting a person whom you haven't seen so far, whom you haven't known so far, but you start creating an idea that you are going to attract a person like this. For example, attracting your life partner, new life partner, or soulmate, or your husband or wife. So even if you haven't met them, or even if you don't know someone like that, but when you start making that list or that process, that is the process of starting of your journey of attracting that specific person. Same way, if you are in a business, or you are attracting an investor or a business partner, or you are working in a job and looking for your dream job and expecting your next boss or manager to be a very kind and nice and inspiring person. So those are also specific people you are attracting. Or if you are going to a new university or college or new town, and there you are attracting a very positive and inspiring social circle or sets of friends, and you are setting that idea. That is also your ways of attracting specific people, even if you haven't met them yet, even if you haven't interacted with them. So you and all of us are always attracting specific people, and it's absolutely natural and normal. But while attracting specific people, focus more on the inner being, inner qualities, so that it will last long. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If this video has cleared your doubt, if this video is an eye-opener for you, like it, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to learn some processes to release all kind of negativities, deep pain or anger and resentment from your heart, then you should join our powerful program, Heal Your Heart Meditation Program. It's a 21 days deep meditation program that has helped hundreds of people release their past negativities, anger, resentment, frustration, and when they could able to release it, they could able to feel more self-love, their relationship got better, they start feeling more energetic, they could able to heal their relationships, some of them able to attract new people into their life, they could able to attract their dream job, and many more success started flooding in their life. So you should check the link in the description section. You can join Heal Your Heart Meditation Program. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. And stay tuned for an upcoming video where I am going to give you a powerful process on how to attract a specific person into your life. If you are excited for the video, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you.